Hello friends, welcome to Turbo Loaded. In the last video we have seen the detailed walk around of Tata Harrier XZ, and in this video we are going to see interesting videos of Harrier XZ. And firstly we will start with thanking the SRT Tata Metropolitan Road showroom for providing us this beautiful opportunity, and also we thank the entire crew of the SRT Tata. Let us get into the video. Firstly we will start with a quick walk around of the car. So the car you are seeing here is Tata Harrier XZ. That is the top end, and the color it is Orcus White. Have a look at it so that you can have a complete idea about the 360-degree view of the car. Harrier's architecture has been derived from the Land Rover's D8 architecture, and this car follows Tata's Impact 2.0 design. Let us focus on the engine of this car. This car comes with the KRYOTEC engine. So we will open the hood and we will see the entire engine bay so that we can have a clear idea about the entire engine layout of this car. So this is the KRYOTEC engine. It's a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine capable of producing a power of 140 PS and a peak torque of 350 Nm. And this engine follows Bharat Stage 4 norms. So this is the engine layout of the car Tata Harrier. As you see, this engine layout seems bit different from the conventional engine layout, but however the engine is cleanly packed. As you see, the hood is properly insulated, and hence the noise, vibration and harshness will be very well contained in this car. After this we will take the special view, that is the exploded view of Tata Harrier, which is specially provided to you by Turbo Loader. In general, exploded views are taken in cars such as Koenigsegg, Pagani Zoda, so that they can have a complete view of the car. Actually, they will literally be striped down so that they can have the entire view of the car, the entire components of the car. So here in this video, we have tried the same on the Harrier, and as you see in this video, that is how it looks. We have also made a video about the exploded view of Tata Tiggo JTP, and if you are interested to see that, we have provided the link in the description. Kindly check it out. So that is all about the exploded view of the Tata Harrier. Now we will listen to the exhaust note of this car. It is more interesting because of its turbocharged engine. This is a next generation 7-inch TFT display with various options such as average fuel economy, power and torque usage, distance to empty, and even a lot more. And now we will see about the speakers and their quality.
It's the time to choose. Somebody wins and some lose. I can see it through your disguise. Lay down, hope for something better. Making at the clouds, the slither in the weather. You can't keep this up. The lies are just too much. Kick back, starting on the fire. Looking at the clouds, making choices that you admire. And you can't stop it now, 'cause you don't know how.
fan speed has been set to 1. There are a lot of audio presets available through which you can select your favorite one, and next to that there is a balance and fader. Using this option you can choose where the sound can be played, like you can specify the seats, and so that only the music will be played near to those seats and the other seats will be remain undisturbed, so the passengers will be more comfortable. Next we will see about the cool glove box. It is more interesting because it can be cool. Let us open it by pulling this lever. As you see, the glove box is not so premium and also it is not of bigger size. So it's quite small compared to this range of a car. Finally, it's time to get inside the Harrier and we can really feel how the Harrier feels like from the interior. So I'm going to get inside the car and I'm going to give all the information about this Harrier and its feel, comfort and the features of this car from the interior. And with me today, Mr. Ron Prakash will be driving the car and he has already shared his experience about driving this car, which I am going to share it on the way of driving. Yeah. The steering feels very light and the feel and feedback from the steering is really good. Clutch is on the lighter side and the gear shifting is really light and they feel very premium by driving this car. So not just for the passengers but also for the drivers, this is going to be a premium luxury car for this range of price. The top end of this car ranges from 19 to 20 lakhs on road. Now we will talk about the safety features available in this car. Firstly, I will start with the airbags because there are totally 6 airbags, 2 on the front and 2 on the sides and also 2 inside the seats of the front. So it is totally protected, and apart from that there are ESP electronic stability program, ABS anti-lock braking system, EBD electronic brake force distribution, cornering stability control is there, electronic traction control is there, hill descent control is there, hill hold control is there, and moreover it comes with a front fog lamps with cornering function, which can be really useful when you are on a blind turn, like when you are turning left or right in a darker area. And also the reverse parking camera, they get adaptive guideline. Clicking this button will get me into the eco mode and clicking the sports button will get me into the sports mode. If eco and sports mode are turned off, then the city mode will get turned on automatically. Talking about the interior comfort, the entire cabin looks very premium, no doubt in that. And also the seats, they are premium leathers and they provide good amount of head support, leg support and thigh support, and there is a decent amount of leg room as well as headroom, which can be more comfortable even for the tall passengers. There is also a rear AC vent, so the AC in this car is of really no problem at all and it just works really very fine. Now we will check the cabin noise at the ideal RPM. From the results we can see the cabin noise is well contained in this car. Finally, it's time for the CPM score by the turbo loader. The CPM score for the Tata Harrier is going to be 4.2 out of 5, which is really a very decent score for this car. We had come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. And subscribe to Turbo Loaded for more interesting videos.